As bearing technology evolves, solid lubrication is increasingly becoming a replacement for traditional greasing methods. The additional layer of protection solid lubrication provides is a huge benefit, but not all solid lubricants are created equal. Let's take a look at how Lubrilife's solid lubrication stacks up to a leading competitor. The competition applies solid lubricant as an aftermarket modification, done by removing one factory seal on the bearing and flushing out the grease in order to apply the polymer. After the solid lubricant is applied, the seal is not replaced. This application process leads to several long-term problems. The process creates an unreliable fill due to trapped air creating voids in the solid lubricant. Inconsistent fill with voids can leave the internal rolling elements unprotected and open to damage by contaminants. The fill consistency cannot be visually inspected, guaranteed, or verified, and the polymer fill is expected to function as a seal replacement on the fill side, resulting in inadequate sealing. All of this reduces the polymer's ability to lubricate long-term, leading to diminished performance and costly maintenance. In comparison, Lubrilife is applied during the bearing manufacturing process. This provides major advantages for the lifespan and performance of the bearing. Since Lubrilife is applied during manufacturing, the process ensures the internal rolling elements are fully surrounded and uniformly lubricated. And because the fill is completed without seals installed, the fill is also able to be visually inspected and verified that it was applied consistently. Seals are applied to provide thorough damage protection from contamination, and Lubrilife features a microscopic structure that distributes and retains oil better. In a run test against the competition, Lubrilife proved to have higher oil retention with far less oil loss, meaning the bearing can perform better and last longer. After years of development and rigorous testing, Lubrilife is raising the bar in solid lubrication technology with exceptional performance, consistency, and protection. Make Lubrilife your permanent lubrication solution.